Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hogwarts Legacy and you keep getting this error, the following components are required to run this program, DirectX Runtime, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Hogwarts Legacy easily. So first off, you're going to open up your web browser, you're going to search for DirectX Runtime here, and then you're going to go on to this link. I'm going to put this link into the description of the video. And here you're going to select your language first, and then you're going to click download, and then download and install this DirectX Runtime. And after you're done downloading and installing the DirectX Runtime, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you open up your Epic Games launcher and try to play Hogwarts Legacy, you'll see that your game will work correctly and you will not get that DirectX Runtime error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.